Hi, this is Jules and Olive. Today is day 17 of the coronavirus lockdown. Today I decided to do a little easy yoga practice for you to open the chest again. Yeah, opening the chest is important for your pranayama exercise or your breathing techniques. Yeah, which is very good to strengthen the lungs, which is and the respiratory system, which is very important in times of a virus like that. So I just want you to stay safe and stay healthy. So stay at home, do your yoga and breathing practice, all right? And meditation is also very important to keep your mind stable and steady because we don't want you to get any mental illnesses, anxieties, panic attacks, or physiosomatic illnesses in the body provoked by the mind's anxieties. So please do your daily practice. And secondly, this practice is a beginner's practice. So if you're a beginner, you are in the right place. Thirdly, I have got many friends with children at home. So this is also a practice for your kids. Then fourth, I've got many German friends, and the smaller kids might not speak much English. So that is why I'm keeping it really easy and explain a few things very easily and simply pointing things out so that the kids can follow. Okay, and Olive has to go now. You have to go now. Yes, you have to go now. Okay, where are you going? Where are you going? Look, there's a mat for you. Over onto your mat. Yeah, she doesn't want to go. She doesn't want to go. And we've got a little trick here. Olive can do a little bit of yoga. Come over here. Come over here. Sit. Sit. No. Sit. 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 Paul, lay down. Good girl. And there you stay. Okay, so we are starting our practice today with a little bit of cat and cow. So everyone knows what a cat is. A cat can do this perfectly. For this, you have to tuck your belly in, your belly button in, yeah? This is with an exhalation. So when you breathe out, pull the tummy in and your belly button. So this is a nice cat here. Exhale. And then inhale into a cow. So this is the cow with the hollow back. And exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. And now we're going to do what Olive is doing every morning, a downward facing dog. So this is your downward facing dog over here. Press your hands, every finger and knuckle into the floor. Make sure your head is relaxed. You can shake your head out. Yes, no. And push your heels back into the mat. Heels down to the mat. And bottom up to the sky. Okay? Now come onto your knees again. Yeah? Knees to the mat. Now take your bottom to the heels, bottom to heels, and head down. This is a child's pose. Okay? So make yourself small like a little child or a little baby, more like a fetus in mommy's tummy. But there, from child's pose, you can now snake forwards like a snake into your cobra pose. So cobra is the same word in German, and a cobra is a snake. So we are tucking the elbows in, yeah, the elbows stay tight in, And then snaking forwards, bottom to the sky. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, bottom to heels, child's pose. Inhale, snaking forwards into the cobra. Exhale, bottom to heels. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, bottom to heels, child's pose. Inhale. Exhale, bottom to heels. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, cobra. And now stay here. Now you press your feet, the toes, yeah, your little toes back into the floor, into your mat. And then stay here in the cobra, the shoulders peeling back. And now you can take your hands off the floor. Stay here, don't forget to breathe. Breathing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and forehead to the floor, hands back to the mat. Rest here, shake your bum out, bottom from side to side. And then inhale, come up again. Exhale, bottom to heels, and rest in child's pose. Take your hands back next to your feet, palms facing upwards, and let your shoulders relax. The forehead can go to the mat, or take a pillow and place your forehead on a pillow here. And just take a few relaxing breaths here in child's pose. Yeah. Remember to stay inside your body, so think how it feels to lay there in the child's pose. Feel your back. How does your body feel today? And then from there, reach your hands forwards again. Stretching the hands, so reach your fingertips forward. And then inhale, snake up into your cobra pose. Exhale now, bottom to heels. Then tuck your toes under and push back into the downward facing dog. Breathing here. Again, let your head hang loose. And then you can walk your dog. So press the heels alternatively up and down, up and down, up and down. And in the downward facing dog, you can do many things, like inhale, take your right leg up. Exhale, take the foot to the mat again. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down to the mat. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Now inhale, come into the plank pose. Can you hold it here? Yeah, hold the plank pose. Strong like a plank. And then see if you can lower, down, 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 down. Stay here. Then rolling over the toes. This is upward facing dog. You can look up to the sky. Breathe here. And then exhale. Come back into your child's pose. And relax here for a moment. Follow your breath. Just take a nice few deep inhalations and exhalations. And then from there, if you're down in your child's pose, you can roll up the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. You know, you have those little bones in the spine stacked on top of each other. So make sure you're rolling up one by one here to sit up with your bottom on your heels. If this is possible, for some older people that might not be possible, you can sit on a pillow. So always have a pillow by the side. Now we are doing a little lion's breath. So the lion opens its mouth wide, yeah, and the lion roars really loud. So you stick the tongue out and roar as loud as you can. But before you do that, you have to take a big inhalation and make your face into a little mousy face, yeah, like a little mouse. Squeezing your nose and your mouth and closing your eyes really tight, and then you roar like a lion. So that goes like this. You're sitting here and you can turn your fingers back, yeah, giving your wrists a little stretch there too. And then from here, inhale, squeeze your face like a mouse, and then exhale, roar like a lion. Do that again. Inhale, squeeze your face, exhale, roar. And again, last one. Squeeze, 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 exhale. And when you exhale, open your eyes wide, open your mouth wide, and this releases tension and stress, and also it's a nice little facelift. Okay, so that was that for today. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it keeps you sane, supple, and healthy. Stay safe.